Welcome back to EsmeraleesCreations. Today we have for you the December 2022 Bargain Bead Box. The theme for this month is Earthen Elegance, and the description reads as follows. This month's palette blends the understated richness of red jasper with copper and peach accents for a timeless look that wears easily through the holidays and into the new year. Red jasper gemstones include a donut pendant, bold barrels, and round beads in two sizes. You'll also find a full strand of microfaceted garnet beads, antique copper findings, and sparkling crystals in complementary colors.
Hi, this is Rose, and number one is
Number one on the list is an approximate 13-inch strand of 4 millimeter crystal bicone beads, copper metallic.
okay, and we have this before. This is very nice to have. It is very sparkly, very shiny, very pretty. I love Bargain Bead. And number two is
Number two is 1 meter of 2.5 millimeter steel Rollo jewelry chain.
okay. The amount is a decent amount. The length of the chain is kind of the small size, but it's very pretty. Very pretty. And number three is
Number three is an approximate 15-inch strand of 6 by 4 millimeter crystal rondelle beads, matte magma.
beautiful. It's like an amber color with some sparkle of purple or pink when you move them. It is very nice. This amount, you can make a simple choker with it. It is so nice. Beautiful colors. And number four is
Number four is 10 by 15 millimeter brass leatherback ear wires.
I love them. These are my favorite. The for the earrings to make earrings, these are my favorite. I love them. Very nice. Number five is
Number five, 10 8 millimeter crystal faceted cylinder beads, light peach in color.
beautiful. Beautiful. When you move them, they turn the color, changed colors, and it's stunning. Beautiful. It's more on the medium side, barrel, or maybe small. Beautiful. Number six is
Number six 19 by 16 millimeter pattern coin charms.
wow. This is amazing. Look at that design. And it have a design on both sides, but this side is the front. It have like a 3D design over there in the middle. I love them. Very pretty. Number seven.
Number seven, four 25 by 22 millimeter pattern coin and teardrop chandeliers.
Wow. Beautiful. It have almost the same design of this one over here in the middle. It looks very alike. And the in the back it's just flat, but the front has so many details. Amazing. I love them. And number eight is
Number eight is a 36 by 26 millimeter teardrop chandelier focal.
okay. It is beautiful. The details are amazing. Very detailed in the beautiful. And you can add some beads over here. It's gonna be stunning. Beautiful. Love it. Number nine is
Number nine, three sets of 18 by 13 millimeter classic banded toggle clasps.
beautiful. And this is a very good material. They're thick. They're very thick. You can tell they're like very good quality. Beautiful. It's like a small size, but it's very nice. And number 10 is
Number 10, 40 6 millimeter scallop bead caps.
they're very tiny. Very, very, very tiny, but it have a lot of details. They kind of design everything to match with this. It's beautiful. Very nice. And they are very, very good material. It's not thin. It's very nice. Number 11 is
Number 11 is a 30 millimeter red jasper donut pendant.
huh, very simple, no design in any size. You can use it however you want. You can add something like dangle over here, or and it's very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. And number 12 is
Number 12, a 10-gram bag of 4 by 5 by 4 millimeter corrugated spacer beads.
wow. Look at that detail. These collection have a lot of beautiful details on the metals. Very, very pretty. And this is like a medium size. And number 13 is
Number 13, approximately 6 16 by 12 millimeter red jasper barrel beads.
stunning. They're very nice. They're very nice. But they're like have different pattern on it. This one have a lot of pattern on it, and this one is more like simple, but they're beautiful, beautiful. And they are like the big size or medium size because these are small, but these ones are big and beautiful. Number 14.
Number 14 is an approximate 15-inch strand of 2 millimeter micro-faceted garnet beads.
Wow, this is so pretty. This is beautiful. Very shiny, very, very shiny, but it's very, very tiny. You can make a necklace with this too. A very simple, elegant necklace with just this. Beautiful. And number 15 is
Number 15 is a 7.5-inch strand of 10 millimeter red jasper round beads.
nice. Look at how pretty. They're very, very nice. Very, very nice. I love the color. This collection is like very soothing, very nice, very elegant. Love them. And number 16 is
Number 16 is an approximate 15-inch strand of 8 millimeter red jasper round beads.
love them, love them, love them. So pretty. Very, very nice. Look at the details. They're all different and unique. This one have this over there. This one is actually like another color. This one too. They are very unique. Look at that one. Look at that one. Beautiful. Very unique. I love it. And with this amount, you can make another choker if you want. But it's very, very nice.
So these were all the items that were part of the December 2022 Bargain Bead Box. Guys, if you enjoy watching these videos, please make sure you hit that thumbs up. It helps us out a lot. And if you're new to the EsmeraleesCreations channel, make sure you subscribe down below. It's free. And don't forget to click that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Don't go away because after the shoutouts, we will be showing a few of the jewelry we created using these same items. In today's video, we want to take this time to send a shout out to Medidio and Caden the Goat. Thank you for your support, guys. Thank you once again for watching our videos and supporting us, and we'll see you in 2023. Bye.